Hello friends, welcome to Crisp class. I am Monica and today we will study ratio and proportion. Let us solve some sums on ratio and proportion. In a cricket coaching camp, 1200 children are trained, out of which 900 are selected for various matches. Ratio of non-selected children to the total number of children is. So first let us write what is given to us. Total number of children is equal to 1200. Selected children is equal to 900. Now when there are selected children 900, then the non-selected children will be selected children is equal to 1200 minus 900, which is equal to 300. So we get the non-selected children equals to 300. Now we have to find the ratio of the non-selected children to the total number of children. Non-selected children to the total number of children. This will be non-selected children is 300. Total number of children are 1200. Cut the zeros. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So we get 1:4. What is the ratio? 1:4 is the ratio of the non-selected children to the total number of children. Let us solve this question. If these many persons is to 10 person equals to 7000 paise is to rupees 100, then this means we have to find the value of this. Now we have written this statement in this form. Now we will solve it further. See, here the units are different, so we will make the unit same. ₹7,000 paise is equal to rupees 70. Now we will solve it further. We will take this 10 to the other side. So we get our answer 7. So in this blank we have to write 7. 7 persons is to 10 person is equal to 7000 paise is to rupees 100. Let us solve another question. A's money is to B's money is 4:5 and B's money is to C's money is 2:3. If A has rupees 800, C has. Now first let us see what is given to us. A's money to B's money is 4:5 and B's money to C's money is 2:3. A has rupees 800. We have to find C. Now let us take this as first statement and this one as the second statement. Now we will further solve it. Now see, putting the value of A in this, A in the first statement. Putting the value of A in 1. A is 800 by B, which is equal to 4 by 5. We have placed the value of A, which is rupees 800 in this statement. We get this. Now we will solve it. We take B to this side and 4 by 5 to this side. What we get? 805 will go in the numerator. 4 comes in the denominator. B goes in the numerator. This is what we will get if we solve it. This becomes 200. So we get B is equal to 1000. Now we have got the amount of B's money. It is 1000. Now placing the value of B in this statement, the second one. Here B by C is equal to 2 by 3. This we know. Now we will put the value of B in this. B is 1000 by C is equal to 2 by 3. Now as we did here, we will do here also. C we will take to the other side. 1000 multiplied by 3. So we get C is equal to 1500. So what is the amount of C's money? Rupees 1500. C's money is rupees 1500.